everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video I have this silver neutral makeup look. It's less colorful than most of my tutorials that I tend to do here on this channel. About a month ago I posted a poll on Instagram asking if you guys would like to see something more colorful or more neutral, and the neutral look won. So let's get on with this video. It takes for frickin' ever to label all of these products that I use. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I use. So I cleansed my face with this Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Wipes and this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I moisturized my face with this Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray and also this Maybelline Dream BB Fresh Cream. And I primed my face with this Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. Did my brows off camera and started off with this NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyebrow Primer. And I used this MUA Professional Eyebrow Kit, and I used that dark shade there, as well as this Sugar Pill Black eyeshadow. As usual, I defined and sharpened my brows with this Revlon Photo Ready Concealer in the shade Fair Claire. And finally, we're going to get started by using this NARS concealer in the shade Light 1. And we're just going to put this onto our lid to prime the lid. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend that out. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm going to go in with my shade Bear right there. And we're going to throw this onto the crease of our lids and blend it out. This is going to be our transitional shade color, and it's also gonna show a little bit of like a pop of color on top of all the grays we're gonna use. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Milk White Pencil Jumbo Eyeliner. Oh my god, it's a long name. And I'm just gonna dump this liner on my lid, on the bottom of my lids, closer to my lashes, and I'm going to blend it out as seamlessly as possible with my finger. This is going to prime our lids so we can dump this white shadow on top of it, and it'll be the beginning of our gradients, and it'll be nice and white. Next, I'm going to go in with this Physicians Formula little palette, and I'm going to go in with that white glittery shadow, and I'm going to dump it on top of the other white eyeshadow. This is more sparkly, and I just want this look to look a lot more glittery. Next, I'm going in with my Smokes Maybelline palette, and I'm using this gray shade right here. This whole look is mostly gray shadows, so if you don't have these palettes, go ahead and get any gray eyeshadows you have and just kind of create a gradient. And I'm going back to that Physicians Formula palette, and I'm using a darker gray color, and it's also very glittery, and I am blending that into the rest of the shadows, and we're working our way into darker grays slash blacks. And again, you're just creating a gradient from light to dark, and at the very end of our eyes, closest to the edge of our eyebrows, we're kind of creating that V shape, and we're trying to keep it focused in just that area. We're not trying to blend it all over the place. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my micellar cleansing wipes, and I'm going to sharpen out the wing of our eyeshadow. As you can see, I didn't do the rest of my face just yet. So now we're going in with my Revlon Color Stay Combination Oily Foundation in the shade 110. I love this foundation, and we're gonna blend it all out all over the place, including our neck. I put it on my chest, my forehead, everywhere my skin is exposed up top. And we're gonna go in with that NARS concealer and conceal all the usual areas. And we're gonna blend that all out. Isn't it amazing what makeup can do, how much it can hide? And then I'm gonna go back in with that white glittery eyeshadow, and I'm gonna dump that more on my inner corners of my eyes just to get it more sparkly. And we're gonna highlight our brow bone a little bit as well with that eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade number 5, and we're gonna bake our face. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder, and I am blending out all the baked powder as well as putting some more on top with that translucent pressed powder. And to finish that all off, I'm going to use my Burt's Bees Baby Powder. And we're going to start contouring with the Tarteist Pro Glow Kit, and we're using those 2 shades to sculpt our face and chisel it to the gods. Just kidding, I don't speak drag. You know what though, I am tempted to actually do a full drag makeup tutorial someday because I really want to do the whole no eyebrows look and draw on my own set of brows. I'm really curious how that would turn out. If you guys want to see a tutorial like that someday, comment down below and let me know. And maybe it'll happen, I don't know. Just so everything's not so harsh, I'm going to go in and blend all that out with my powder brush. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and we're going in with that white shade, I believe it's called Luna, and we're going to highlight our face. Now that our face is done, I'm going to go back under my eyes on my bottom lids, and I'm going back in with that Bare shade, which was that like brownish color, and I'm dumping that on my lower lid. And just on the outer corners, I am taking black and blending it seamlessly into that Bare shade. And for the painful looking part, I'm gonna go in with that Milk Jumbo NYX pencil, and I'm going to line just the bottom of my eyes in that color so it's nice and white. And now I'm gonna set my face with this Infallible Setting Spray by L'Oreal. And I'm going to fan my face with my hand because I'm lame. Next, we're going to go in with this Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner and this other Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner in the shade Black. And we're going to, or I'm going to, because obviously you're not here doing this, so I'm going to line my eyes. And I'm going to do the full wing and cat eye effect. And I edited a lot of this down. As you can see, this part for me usually takes forever to get it perfect. One of these days it'll take me 5 minutes. But for now, it still takes me a while to get it perfect. We're finally done. We can curl our lashes and go in with our telescopic original mascara in the shade Black and just coat the top lashes before we put on lashes. And I'm going to go in with my Almay black pencil eyeliner and just coat my top waterline with black. For my lashes, I used the Duo eyelash adhesive in the dark tone shade so it dries black. And boom, I magically have a whole look on my face. I used this Ofra Mocha liquid, long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I used this Model's Own Grandmaster Lash Mascara and the telescopic mascara on my lower lashes. And I got this cute wig from Amazon. I like to change up my look every once in a while wearing wigs, as you guys have already noticed. And that's the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And go ahead and follow me on social media, on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, whatever you want. And have a good week.